So, it is holiday eve.
Yeah.
And where are we going tomorrow, boys?
France. France. I know.
France.
I know.
We're going to France tomorrow. We are
Stop.
getting picked up by my dad in the morning.
Yeah, it's gonna be really early.
Really early. 6 a.m.
It's
start.
still going to be nighttime outside.
What did you get?
Well, I got garlic chicken with some beans in there. It's aeroplane food, so it's always going to be good. So we've just had our first meal on the plane. We didn't actually realise we could pre-order kids' meals, so there was heaps of kids sitting around us that got these meals with like yogurts and things on them, and I was waiting. I just thought that the boys would because they've booked on the kids' tickets, but apparently you had to book the meals, so they just got a normal adults meal, which they didn't really like very much. But we liked the meals. So anyway, we're going to pack the camera away now, we'll chill out and watch some movies, and the boys are playing some video games, and then we'll see you in Bangkok.
How was your first flight, Paddy?
Good.
What was your favourite part?
My favourite part was that I saw the tray and the lady was so nice and I got food.
What was your favourite part of the flight?
The trolley.
What about the trolley?
With some apple juice
Getting some apple juice was your favourite.
and the biscuit.
Good morning. We are in Bangkok in our transit hotel that we got, so the boys hadn't slept at all. Oh no, Betty slept on the plane, but Archer hadn't slept at all, so he needed to have a little sleep. But now we're struggling. We're already getting the airplane, and we've woken him up about 4 times. And
He's got no pillow, he's got no sheets, and you just woke. Anyway, we'll probably see you in Paris.
See you in Paris. Yay! All right, bye.
Bye.
So
We are at Paris in real life.
but we're going to meet up with my auntie Claire and her partner Dan, and the boys will be meeting Claire for the first time, which is super exciting. And so they've come over from London to Paris just for the weekend, just to see us here, which is really nice of them to do. And I'm sure we're going to have a great time.
The Eiffel Tower! The Eiffel Tower! The Eiffel Tower!
the life of the saints or the life of Jesus and all the stories of the Bible. That's why you have all these.
Are you okay?
This link. So basically, oh, you're not taking a video.
Oh,
no.
yeah. Tell me the story about the
right.
tinsel
So
on the tree.
basically, Den was telling me a couple of years ago that mistletoe is a spore that grows in trees. Okay. So every time we see trees now, we look for the mistletoe. Well, yesterday as we were coming in on the train, he said, "There's some of that stuff, the Christmas stuff in the trees." And I went, "What, tinsel?" And he was like, "No, no." And it was mistletoe.
King Benny and Slave Benny. Got it. Perfect.
Can I do a different one?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah.
Got it. Do another pose. Got it.
What?
We got it all. Was it spiky?
Wait. Mom, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, and point your finger down. Okay, so stand up and then
I'm gonna do this.
What are they?
One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the nice delicious bugs. Glub, glub. One jumped into the pool, went in, was nice and cool. Then there was 0.